Hey there, wonderful viewers. Embarking on a journey to make 2024 the best year of your life requires intention, planning, and a commitment to personal growth. Before we immerse ourselves in the depth of this transformative journey, consider expressing your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to ensure a continuous flow of inspiration. While unforeseen challenges may arise, a proactive and positive mindset, combined with strategic actions, can set the stage for a fulfilling and transformative year. Today, we will explore various aspects of life, from personal development to relationships and well-being, offering practical advice on how to make 2024 a year of significance. Number 1. Visionary goal setting for success. Imagine your ideal future and set goals that act as beacons guiding your path throughout 2024. We're not just talking about any goals. We're talking about visionary objectives that stretch your capabilities, infusing your days with purpose, motivation, and a relentless pursuit of your dreams. Number 2. Dive into new frontiers, embracing the unfamiliar. Break free from the shackles of the familiar and embrace the allure of the unknown. This year, challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone, welcoming new experiences, skills, and perspectives. Venturing into uncharted territories expands the horizons of your life's narrative, bringing depth and vibrancy to your story. Number 3. Holistic well-being as a lifestyle. Elevating your existence involves a holistic approach to well-being. Delve into the realms of nourishing foods, regular exercise, and adequate rest. By making well-being a daily priority, you not only enhance your physical vitality, but also cultivate mental and emotional resilience, laying the groundwork for a life lived in optimal balance. Number 4. Mastering the power of positivity. Cultivate a mindset that acts as a catalyst for transformative change. Positivity isn't just a state of mind. It's a dynamic force that shapes your experiences. Embracing a positive outlook empowers you to navigate challenges with resilience, turning setbacks into stepping stones on your path to personal growth and fulfillment. Number 5. Foster meaningful connections. Relationships are the threads weaving the tapestry of a fulfilling life. In 2024, invest time and energy into building and nurturing meaningful connections with friends, family, and colleagues. These relationships become the pillars of support, enriching your journey with shared experiences, laughter, and the profound warmth of genuine connection. Number 6. Conquering challenges with resilience. Challenges are inevitable, but your response to them defines your narrative. Embrace challenges as invitations to growth and learning. Approach them with resilience, extracting valuable lessons that fortify your character and propel you forward with newfound strength. Number 7. Embrace variety for vibrancy. Monotony is the enemy of vibrancy. In 2024, inject diversity into your routine. The spice of life lies in the variety of experiences you embrace. Try new things, explore different aspects of life, and welcome the unexpected with open arms, infusing your days with excitement, creativity, and a perpetual sense of adventure. Number 8. Financial empowerment for peace of mind. Chart a course towards financial empowerment. 2024 is the year to make informed decisions about your financial well-being. By budgeting wisely, saving diligently, and investing thoughtfully, you not only secure your future, but also open avenues for the pursuit of your dreams with a profound sense of financial peace. Number 9. Generosity for a positive impact. Elevate your existence by giving back to your community, whether through volunteering, sharing your skills, or contributing resources. The act of generosity not only makes a positive impact on others, but also fosters a profound sense of purpose and fulfillment in your own life. Number 10. Celebrate triumphs large and small. In the hustle of life, it's easy to overlook your triumphs. In 2024, make a conscious effort to acknowledge and celebrate your victories, both monumental and modest. This celebration isn't just a pat on the back, it's a recognition of your journey, fueling your motivation and propelling you forward with a sense of accomplishment. As we conclude this intricate exploration of transforming 2024 into an extraordinary year, remember that the canvas of your life is in your hands. By setting visionary goals, embracing new experiences, prioritizing well-being, fostering positive connections, and approaching challenges with resilience, you pave the way for a year filled with growth, fulfillment, and joy. Here's to your extraordinary 2024. Thank you immensely for investing your time in this profound journey. If you found these insights valuable, express your support by hitting that like button and subscribing for a continuous stream of inspiration. Your engagement fuels the vitality of this community. Thanks again for being an integral part of this enriching experience. And don't forget to stay connected for ongoing wisdom. Like, subscribe, and let's make 2024 an odyssey of extraordinary living.